The order doesn't matter, but you can just smash in a little bit of ashwagandha like this. Hello everyone, my name is Dr. Lila Besenyi and welcome back to my channel, which is about health tips which actually work and help you improve your productivity and overall health and happiness. And they are tested by me. I'm a pharmacist, but I have a holistic view and I love to experiment with health stuff. So I've already made a video about CBD oil, and today I want to share with you very quickly my bombastic recipe for sleep, because since I'm doing this, my sleep quality cannot be compared to anything I've ever had before. So I cannot recommend this enough. The recipe is very simple. It has just 2 ingredients, actually 3 if you count water, but yeah, it's basically 2 ingredients and you will sleep like a log. And yes, I've started taking this a few weeks ago, and I can say, and even advised it to my brother. My brother started raving about it to my other family members, telling everyone that you should take this because it will feel like that you have slept 2 days instead of 1 night. So check out the recipe, and yes, subscribe to my channel and like this video if you like this topic. Actually, so this is not a complete recipe. I've just figured it out that this was completely stupid, but it still works. So it's a 2-step recipe, and the first is mixing water and ashwagandha. This is how I like to take my ashwagandha, because just 1 sec. Oh, this is how I like to take my ashwagandha, because I hate pills, and I know that okay, most of them don't contain too many other materials, but this way, if I have my ashwagandha in a little powder, I can have as much as I want to, and I can indulge. So I've already used this glass for drinking ashwagandha, so don't mind me, but otherwise it's clean because it's been used recently. So what I would do is, very nicely, the order doesn't matter, but you can just smash in a little bit of ashwagandha like this. It's a little bit like misty. And then you add water. And then you can pour the water in the glass and just mix it with a spoon or something, and then drink it. And it is going to be not pleasant flavor, but that's why I like to put it in the glass. I just mash it in, and then I drink another glass of water because it tastes terrible, but it's very healthy. So this is what I drink before I fall asleep, and it's easier to mix if you put the ashwagandha later. It's not a too complicated recipe. This needs more mixing, but whatever, you get the point. Then when I drank my ashwagandha, I put a few drops of CBD oil under my tongue. I like to use 6 drops, and you just very nicely put it under your tongue with the little dropper and you go to sleep. And that's it. And I like to take this about, I don't know, about 5 minutes before I go to sleep, or 10. So right before I go to sleep, I smash this. And ashwagandha decreases cortisol, and you need lower cortisol levels to fall asleep. So ashwagandha, like, it doesn't make you sleepy otherwise, it just reduces the stress hormone. But if you have high stress hormone levels in the evening, you will struggle to fall asleep and you can wake up during the night and things like that. So this very nice, not nice tasting, but very healthy ashwagandha water will change your life, combined with the CBD oil. And please give me a thumbs up if you like this recipe, and also subscribe to my channel if you are interested more crazy health tips like this. And this works for sure, because while everybody loves it, I've already advised it to all my friends, and some of them started doing it and they are crazy about it. Stay healthy and have a nice day, and I will see you next time. And also check out my social media handles if you like. Bye!